On June 12, 2024, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released the U.S. inflation data for May. The annual inflation rate for May 2024 fell to 3.3%, down from 3.4% in April. Month over month, the CPI was unchanged, contrary to the expected 0.1% increase, as the decline in gasoline prices was offset by the rise in shelter expenses. Core inflation also decreased to 3.4% annually, better than the forecasted 3.5%, with the monthly core inflation rate dropping to 0.2% from 0.3%. The Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers, CPIU, showed no change in May on a seasonally adjusted basis, following a 0.3% increase in April. Investors around the world closely monitor US CPI data as a critical economic indicator. Despite the decline in US inflation from a peak of 9.1% in June 2022 to 3.4% in April 2024, the central bank remains concerned about persistent inflation. The US CPI has averaged 3.2% over the past 6 to 8 months. The Federal Reserve has stated that it will not cut rates until the CPI falls to 2%. In April, the monthly CPI rose by 0.3%, and the annual inflation rate was 3.4%, slightly lower than the 3.5% annual increase recorded in March. If inflation continues to decrease, the Federal Reserve may consider lowering its key interest rate later this year. The Fed is seeking economic data, especially inflation reports, to confirm that consumer prices are on track to reach a 2% annual rate before making any rate cuts. Since July, the central bank has maintained its key Fed funds rate at a 23-year high to slow the economy and manage inflation.
That's all for the moment. Thank you for your time. For continuous updates on market activities, please follow our channel.